Okay, today Brother Bart is going to fry up some catfish. I can't wait. Y'all come back.
Welcome back, everybody, to a wonderful smoking hot Saturday afternoon in Northeast Texas. Today we are going to have fried catfish. These are all the ingredients I'm going to use to make the batter for the catfish. First thing we're going to do is mix up the dry batter. We're going to start with cornmeal. We're going to put 2 cups of cornmeal. Then we're going to use ½ cup of flour. And then we're going to use some baking powder. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of baking powder. That. And we're going to use some black peppers for seasoning, and we'll use ½ tablespoon pepper. We're going to take some salt. And we're going to use the same amount of salt. There we go. We're going to take the old trusty whisk. We're just going to mix all that up together. Good mixed up. I feel like I'm missing something here, but oh, I know what I'm missing. I saw it over here. Doug. There's some onion powder over there in that black top. That's what I was wanting. Onion powder. Yeah, gotta have a little onion powder. So we're going to take, and we're going to pop that little shaker thing off. We're going to use 1 tablespoon onion powder. And we will just get that all up together. And that is the dry portion of our batter. Now we will move on and make the wet portion of the batter. And that we're simply going to use eggs. Start off with 3 eggs. Oops, I just crushed that egg, but I got on gloves. First time y'all ever seen me wear gloves, huh? Oklahoma Joe's. I actually found a pair of gloves in this house at 50.
Oops.
That almost made it in the trash can. We'll get that in a little bit. Three eggs. And milk. We're just going to add some whole white milk. 1½ cups of milk. There we go. We're going to take our whisk. We're going to just whisk this all together here. And once again, all this ingredients just comes out of my head. Now then, Bart's secret ingredient for everything, honey. And there's no measuring honey. We just squirt till we're tired of squirting. There we go, that's good. We'll mix all that in real good. There we go. And there is our dipping sauce for the batter. Alright, now then, we're going to take our fish fillets, catfish, have this paper towel down here for a reason. The reason being is I want to make sure we get our fish fillets good and dry. This is just going to be regular catfish. Then I have some more fish fillets in this big jar that have been soaking in pickle juice for about 16 hours. Dill pickle fish. I've done that many times. I love it. It tastes really, really good. Gives a slight dill flavor to the fish. Not overpowering. It took me a few tries to get it right. I've actually kept the fish in there so long before that I pickled the fish. Fried it up anyway and tasted like fried dill pickle. But the way I do it now, down to a science. It's got just a slight hint of dill pickle flavor. So here are the regular ones. We're just going to pat them dry. So while I'm doing this, I'm going to ask cameraman Doug to go out and light a fire under our oil and get it up to temperature. We want it around 350 to 375. These are store-bought fish fillets because I haven't been fishing in, well, a really long time. And it is one of my favorite things to do. Then we'll take the fillets out of the pickle juice. Set them right there. Never tried this. I highly recommend it. It's good.
It's real good.
I'm going to dry these puppies off. So we will have 4 fish fillets with dill pickle juice, 4 with regular. Take a paper towel here. Let these puppies dry. Puppies? Are y'all puppies? Baby fish. Not even baby fish.
Tadpoles.
Not tadpoles. Those are frogs.
True story.
So while I'm doing this, I've got a question for our viewers. And if there's something that you would like to see me try, put it in the comments. The only stipulation is I do not cook on the stove or in the oven. It's going to be either smoked, deep fried, whatever. Grilled, whatever. So let's hear it. Let's hear what y'all would like to see. Okay. So I'm going to use the last paper plate for this. I'm going to take this one. I'm just going to dunk it in the wet batter here. And then we're going to dunk it in the dry mix. Get it good and coated. Good and coated. I normally only do them once, but I think I'm going to do this one twice just to get a little thicker batter on this one. Just see what it turns out like. You hear the whining in the background? That's our little helpers that are all refrained, or they're grounded. They're in the house. They're grounded. I don't want to fight them off with fish. So I'll have them all 3 trying to get up here with me. We're going to do the same thing with the other 4 fillets. I'll get these battered up and then we'll be back. See you shortly. We got our grease up to temperature. We're going to just lay these in the basket here so that there's not a lot of splashback. Drop the basket in the grease. Assuming all 4 fillets fit in there, go ahead and drop. Oh, look at that fish fry. Oh, look at that catfish fry. Alright folks, we got the last 2 fillets coming out of the fryer right now. These are the regular catfish with no pickle juice soak. There we go. Look at that. Look at that baby right there. Yeah. All right. Look at them. These 4 right here are the dill pickle. These 4 right here are just the regular catfish. We have our fish all fried up. Since that one broke, we'll use that for a taste tester. This is the dill pickle fish.
I taste it.
Mmm. That's good. Man, that's real good.
Oh, that is good.
That is real good. Man. Oh, man. Now this is the regular fish. No dill flavor. Just the breading and whatnot on it. We'll give it a flavor taste here.
Well, that one's hot.
Just came out of the deep fry.
Well, I know.
Okay.
But it's still hot.
She's weird.
He's weirder.
We're gonna try it. Mmm. 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 Folks, we hit another home run. This catfish, I kind of prefer the dill pickle.
Yeah, what he said.
But I also really enjoy the regular fish too.
Dill pickle for the win.
Don't soak the fish in the dill pickle more than, I would say, tops 24 hours max. I've got it to where it's just got a really good, just slight dill pickle flavor to it. Mm-hmm. And unlike most people, I don't use tartar sauce.
I don't like tartar sauce.
I prefer ketchup.
But our neighbor,
give a little squirt of ketchup here.
There you go.
There we go.
Our neighbor makes these fabulous jams, jellies, pickles, relishes. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the tomato relish he makes on my fish and try it out.
Mmm. That's good stuff. That's good stuff, man.
Hold on.
There's no way else to describe it other than that. That is good stuff.
Okay. Tomato relish. Papi's Kitchen. You want to try?
I'm going to as soon as you get through. Hurry up.
Somebody's so pushy. Oh my God.
This tomato relish is really good. I ate some on crackers.
That was the tomato jam, actually.
Oh, that right. It was tomato jam. I haven't tried the tomato relish yet.
Right.
No, we'll try that. Oh, man.
It's good on the fish.
Papi. Great job, Papi. Man, that is some good relish right there.
I'm running. Relish, fish, everything. I'm running. Okay, y'all. Come back.
We ain't leaving yet.
Oh, we're not?
You're going to listen to her. Don't know what she's talking about. Y'all don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, share, and in the comment section, tell me what you would like to see. Maybe not next week, maybe down a couple of weeks. I got a little idea for what I'm going to do next week. A little idea. Throughout the week, it'll grow, I'm sure. But I'd like to hear from y'all, see what y'all would like for me to try. Y'all have a good evening. Be blessed. Eat a lot of food. Enjoy life. We'll see you.
What are you talking about?
That is damn good.
Put the fucking top back on it for?
I didn't know. I thought you were done. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We want to hear from you. See the description below for details and helpful links to what we covered today. Hit that notification bell so you are alerted when we publish new videos. Check out our website at motherofsmoke.com for the latest things we are working on. Have a blessed day and keep smoking.